Hi, this is Sir Jubes, and in our previous video, we talked about definition of set. In this video, we're going to talk about the different notations for set. So before I proceed to our main topic, let's have this question first. Let's have this question to ponder on. How do you show your love to your parents? You don't have to answer these questions. I know there are different ways, there are various ways of showing our love to our parents. One of the ways is by saying, I love you, or by just showing our love through our actions or giving gift. That's one way of showing our love to our parents, not only to our parents, but to other people also. Right? So what are the different notations we use for set? Number one is rule method. We can write a set using the rule method. What is rule method? In rule method, a set is described using properties satisfied by all its elements and not by any other element. And rule method has this pattern. C is the set of blank. C is a set, any set. C is the set of something. Okay? It can be C is the set of the continents of the world. C is the set of the cities in Metro Manila, something like that. Another way is by using roster method, or we call this one as listing method, because in this way, the elements of a set are listed inside the braces. Okay? The elements of a set are listed inside the braces. So just like this. So I'm listing down the elements, the letters found in the word element. So I have here E, L, M, N, T, and S. And take note that each element is separated by a comma. Okay, so this is what we call roster method or listing method. And the third one is the set builder notation. Set builder notation is very similar to the rule method. The only difference here is in set builder notation, we use a variable. A variable, let's say X, or it can be Y, it can be A, it's up to you. Set builder notation has this pattern, X, such that X is A. This is read as C is the set of all X such that X is A, blank. Okay? Let's have this example. So I have here a set. Okay, the name of the set is C, and C is the set of colors in the rainbow. Okay, so how do we write set C using the rule method? So we have to follow this pattern. C is the set of, something like that. So I'm going to write here, C is the set of what? Set of colors in the rainbow. Colors in the rainbow. And since this is a sentence, don't forget to punctuate your sentence properly. You have to put a period at the end of your sentence. And if you're going to write this using roster method or listing method, so we're just going to enumerate the colors we see in the rainbow. So we have here C equals, don't forget about the braces. What are the colors in the rainbow? We have red, orange, yellow. We also have green. We have violet. Oh, is that correct? Roy G. Bibb, indigo, and blue. Okay, these are the 7 colors you can see in the rainbow. See, you're just going to list down the elements. If we're going to write set C using set builder notation, so just look at how it is written using the rule method. All you have to do is you just decide what variable you're going to use. Usually it's x. Okay, this time I'm going to use another variable, let's say b. I want b. So we have here b such that b is a. Since this is a, the next word should be a singular, okay? Should be in singular form. So you're not going to write here colors, okay? It should be color. Is a color in the rainbow. You don't have to put period in the end, okay? So you're just going to put a period if you're going to write the set in rule method. So these are the three different ways of writing a set. We have rule method, roster method, and set builder notation. Let's have another example. We have here prime numbers less than 10. So I'm going to test your knowledge now about prime numbers. So this is not a simple set, because first you have to identify what prime numbers are less than 10. Okay, you have to recall the definition of a prime number, something like that. Okay, so let's move on. Let's have the rule method here. We have P is the set of, let me just continue this statement so that I'm not going to write this anymore. P is the set of prime numbers less than 10. And what do we put in the end? It should be a period. Okay. And let's have the roster method. So we have here P equals the brace. So what are the prime numbers less than 10? Prime numbers are natural or counting numbers whose factors are 1 and itself. Okay? So these are natural numbers or counting numbers that cannot be divided by other number except 1 and itself. So the prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay? These are the prime numbers less than 10. Now, using set builder notation, we have here P is the set of all, you decide what variable you're going to use. All, I'm going to use small p. All p such that p is a prime number less than 10. And don't forget to close your brace. Okay? Let's have more examples. And I believe this is already our last set of examples. Represent the following sets using the rule method. So it's specified in the instruction that you're going to write each set using the rule method. Okay? When you use the rule method, you're just going to simply describe the elements present in a given set. So for number 1, we have set W, and the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. By the way, there are different ways of describing this set using the rule method. There's no single solution for this. Okay? So we have here W is the set of what? What can you say about these numbers? 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are counting numbers or natural numbers, right? Natural numbers less than or equal to 7. So we have here W is the set of natural numbers. Natural numbers less than, so I can just write here 8 so that I don't have to put equal. So the natural numbers less than 8 are 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? The other, other possible solution here is W is the set of natural numbers less than or equal to 7. Okay, if you can think of other possible answer, then you can just keep your answer yourself. Okay, let's have number 2. P is equal to blue, red, and yellow. These are colors, right? These are colors. And what kind of colors are these? So that's your question. So you have to really find the similarities among these colors. What can you say about these colors? Blue, red, and yellow. These are the primary colors. So we have here P is the set of primary colors. And period. So that's it, and see you in my next videos.